Let's see how to add nominee to your mutual fund account with Karvy. Open the email received from Karvy on your registered email ID. Click on the link to proceed. You will be redirected to a new page. Add your PAN number and registered email or mobile number. Select your mode of holding. Enter the received OTP and validate it. As you can see, the list of your mutual fund holding, you can select all by ticking here or according to your nominee preference. Click on Opt-in on nomination. Select the number of nominees to be added. Fill the nominee details and click on Save. Scroll down. Click on Generate OTP and fill in the received OTP. And your nominee has been successfully added. In case if you have taken selective folio, click on OK to continue with the remaining folio for nominee addition. Let's see how to add nominee to your mutual fund account with Cams. Click on Nomination Opt-in Opt-out. Enter your PAN number. Select from the Holder option. Click Next. Select your mutual fund folio. Click Next. Select the option where you want to receive the OTP. Enter the OTP. Select Register Nominee. Select All. Here, you will have to add nominee details in each folio. Click on Add arrow. Fill in the nominee details and click on OK. Select Yes if you want to keep the same nominee in all the folios, or select No and enter the nominee details. Click Submit. Proceed to OTP. Enter OTP received and click Next. Your nominee has been added successfully. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.